Students, TPG students, welcome to Moodle class. Now we can discuss about last video continuation of 8051 programming model. Now we discuss about all registers, math register, A register, B register, interrupt registers, interrupt programming register, interrupt enabled register, timer mode register, timer control register, counter register, timer or counter register, timer I0, timer low 0, timer I1 counter, timer low 1 counter, serial control register, serial data register, serial buffer register, program control register, program status word register. This is the flag register, stack pointer, data pointer register, data pointer I, data pointer low. There are two registers containing data pointer. Program counter, port 0 latch, port 1 latch, port 2 latch, port 3 latch. Number of bits direct byte address indicate addressable. And also already we discuss about internal random access memory, register bank, register 0, register 1, register bank 3, register bank up to register bank 3 we discussed. Bit address area, general purpose area. Now we can discuss about register bank 0 address, register bank 1, register bank 2, register bank 3. Their address are 00207 register bank 0, 08 to 0F register bank 1, 10217 register bank 2, 18 to 1F register bank 3. Bit addressed RAM 202 2F, general purpose RAM 302 3F, special function register 802 F0, special function registers. They are port 0, stack pointer, data pointer low, data pointer I, program control register, timer control register, timer mode register, timer low 0, timer low 1, timer I0, timer I1, port 1, serial control register, serial buffer register, port 2, interrupt enable, port 3, interrupt pointer, program status word, accumulator, B register, and also internal read-only memory 0002 FFF. This is the 8051 programming model. Now we discuss about 8051 stack pointer. The stack is a section of RAM used by the CPU to store information temporarily. This information could be data or an address. The register used to access the stack is called the stack pointer register. The stack pointer in the 8051 is only 8-bit wide, which means that it can take value of 002 FFH. The storing of a CPU register in the stack is called a push. Push operation can be stored. A stack pointer is pointing to the last used location of the stack. As we push data onto the stack, the stack pointer is incremented by 1. This is different from many microprocessors. Loading the contents of the stack back into a CPU register is called a pop operation. With every pop, the top byte of the stack is copied to the register specified by the instruction and the stack pointer is decremented once. Now we discuss about 8051 instruction set. The instructions are grouped into 5 groups: arithmetic instruction, logic instruction, data transfer instruction, boolean instruction, branching instruction. First, arithmetic instructions. Add 8-bit addition between the accumulator A and a second operand. The result is always in the accumulator. The carry flag is set or reset appropriately. Add with carry, add C. 8-bit addition between the accumulator, a second operand, and the previous value of the carry flag. Add instruction, add A comma source. Add the source operand to the accumulator. For example, move A comma hash 03H. Load 03 into A. Move B comma hash 02. Load 02 into B. add a comma b, add b register to accumulator, that is a equal to a plus b equal to 0, 5. Subtract borrow, subtraction operation, subtract with borrow. A is a minus operand minus carry. The result is always saved in the accumulator. The carry flag is set or reset appropriately. SUBB instruction, subtract borrow a comma source, subtract the source operand to the accumulator, move a comma as 03, load 03 into A, move B comma as 02, load 02 into B, sub B A comma B, subtract B register to accumulator, that is A equal to A minus B, that is 03 minus 02 equal to 1. Increment, increment the operand by 1. Example, increment DPTR, data pointer. The operand can be a register, a direct address, an indirect address, the data pointer. Decrement, decrement the operand by 1. Example, decrement B. The operand can be a register, a direct address, an indirect address. Next, mul AB or div AB, multiplication AB or division AB. Multiply A by B and place result in A is B. Divide A by B and place result in A and B. Multiplication of numbers. Mul AB, A into B, place 16-bit result in B and A. Move A comma hash 05. Load at 5 into register A. Load B, that is move B comma 03. Load 03 in register B. Multiplication AB, 05 into 03 will be equal to 000F, where B equal to 00 and A equal to 0F. Unsigned multiplication summary, multiplication AB, multiplication byte and byte, operand 1A, operand 2A, B, result A equal to low byte, B equal to high byte. Division of numbers. Move A comma hash 05, load 05 to register A. Move B comma hash 03, load 03 in register B. Division AB, 05 divided by 3, that is quotient equal to 1, remainder equal to 2, where B equal to 02 and A equal to 01. Using division summary, div AB, division byte divided by byte, numerator A, denominator B, quotient A, remainder B. Add A comma at Rn, A equal to A plus memory pointed to register bank Rn. Next, DAA, decimal adjust accumulator. This is particularly used for binary coded decimal addition. Add carry A comma at Rn, A equal to A plus memory pointed Rn plus carry, sub B A comma at Rn, that is A equal to A minus memory pointed to Rn minus carry, that is borrow. Increment at Ri, the register bank is incremented by 1. Logical instructions. ANL D comma S, that is destination comma source, performs logical AND of destination and source. Destination A, memory, source, data or register or memory. Example, ANL A comma hash 0FH, that is comma ANL A comma R5, that is data or register. ORL destination comma source, performs logical OR of destination and source. Destination is accumulator or memory, source data or register or memory. Example, ORL A comma hash 28, ORL A comma at R0. XRL destination comma source, performs logical XOR of destination and source. Destination A accumulator or memory, source data or register or memory. Example, XRL A comma hash 28H, XRL accumulator at register bank 0. Complement A, CPLA, complement accumulator gives one's complement accumulator. Swap A, exchange the upper and lower nibbles of accumulator. Accumulator contents upper bit and lower bit are exchanged. RLA, rotate data of accumulator towards left without carry. RLCA, rotate data of accumulator towards left with carry. RRA, rotate data of accumulator towards right without carry. RRCA, rotate data of accumulator towards right with carry. Next, we can discuss about data transfer instructions. Move instruction. Move destination comma source. Copy source to destination. Move A comma hash 55. Load value 55 into register A. Move R0 comma A. Copy contents of accumulator into R0. Now A equal to R0 equal to R0 equal to 55. Move R1 comma A. Copy contents of A into R1. Now A equal to R0 equal to R1 equal to 55. Move R2 comma A. Copy contents of A into R2. Now A equal to R0 equal to R1 equal to R2 equal to 55. Move R3 comma hash 95H. H is the hexadecimal value. Load value 95 into R3. Now R3 equal to 95. Move A comma R3. Copy contents of R3 into A. Now A equal to R3 equal to 95. Move X, MOVX, data transfer between the accumulator and a byte from external data memory. MOVX A comma at RI register bank. MOVX A comma at DPTR data pointer. MOVX at RI comma A from accumulator to register bank. MOVX at DPTR comma A from accumulator to data pointer. Push or pop instruction. Push and pop a data byte onto the stack. The data byte is identified by a direct address from the internal random access memory locations. Push data pointer low. Pop data party. Exchange accumulator and a byte variable. Exchange A comma register banks R0 to R3. Exchange A comma director data. Exchange A comma at RI register bank. Boolean variable instructions. Clear. The operation clears the specified bit indicated in the instruction. Example, clear C, clear the carry. Set B, the operation sets the specified bit to 1. CPL, the operation complements the specified bit indicated in the instruction. ANLC source bit performs AND bit addressed with the carry bit. Example, ANLC, P2.C7 port 2.7 and carry flag with bit 7 of port 2. ORLC source bit performs OR bit address with the carry bit. Example, ORLC, carry, port 2.1 or carry flag with bit 1 of port 2. XRL C source bit performs XOR bit addressed with the carry bit. Example, XOL C carry, port 2.1 or carry flag with bit 1 of P2. Move P2.3, C. Move C, P3.3. Move P port 2.0, C. Carry. Branching instructions. Program branching instructions are used to control the flow of actions in a program. Some instructions provide decision-making capabilities and transfer control to other parts of the program. Example, conditional and unconditional branches. Jump instructions. All conditional jumps are short jumps. Target address within -128 to 1+127 of program counter. LJMP long jump 3-byte instruction. 2-byte target address 00002 to FFFH. Original 8051 has only 4 kilobyte on-chip read-only memory. Short jump SJMP 2-byte instruction. 1-byte relative address -128 to +127. Call instructions. L call, long call, 3 byte instruction.